Welcome to this presentation. My name is Luis Silva and I am an American government teacher. Today we are going to be looking at the new United States Citizenship Naturalization Test. This test has 128 questions. Please remember that. The previous one had 100 questions, but this one has 128 questions. This is part one of a 4-video presentation. Today we are going to focus on part one, which is questions 1 through 32. Make sure that you look at the other parts, as there will be 4 parts. Each part will have 32 questions. This way it'll make it easier for you to focus on one part first, learn that part, and then move on to the next part. You must know all 128 questions, as you will be asked 20 questions and must be able to answer at least 12 correct answers. If you answer less than 12, you are not going to pass this test. So my best advice to you is to study, study, and study. This is a whole bunch of memorization that you have to do. So make sure that you review as many times as you need all 4 parts of this presentation. The new test is for anyone that applied to be a United States citizen on December 1st, 2020 and on. If you applied before this time, you will be tested on the 100 questions from the previous version. And also, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, comment on this video, and also thank you for watching. Now let's move on to the 32 questions that we're going to be reviewing for part 1. What is the form of government of the United States? What is the form of government of the United States? Republic. Republic. What is the supreme law of the land? What is the supreme law of the land? U.S. Constitution. U.S. Constitution. Name one thing the U.S. Constitution does. Name one thing the U.S. Constitution does. Forms the government. Forms the government. The U.S. Constitution starts with the words, "We the people." What does "we the people" mean? The U.S. Constitution starts with the words, "We the people." What does "we the people" mean? Self-government. Self-government. How are changes made to the U.S. Constitution? How are changes made to the U.S. Constitution? Amendments. Amendments. What does the Bill of Rights protect? What does the Bill of Rights protect? The basic rights of Americans. The basic rights of Americans. How many amendments does the U.S. Constitution have? How many amendments does the U.S. Constitution have? 27. 27. Why is the Declaration of Independence important? Why is the Declaration of Independence important? It says all people are created equal. It says all people are created equal. What founding document said the American colonies were free from Britain? What founding document said the American colonies were free from Britain? Declaration of Independence. Declaration of Independence. Name 2 important ideas from the Declaration of Independence and the U.S. Constitution. Name 2 important ideas from the Declaration of Independence and the U.S. Constitution. Equality and liberty. Equality and liberty. The words life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness are in what founding document? The words life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness are in what founding document? The Declaration of Independence. The Declaration of Independence. What is the economic system of the United States? What is the economic system of the United States? Capitalism. Capitalism. What is the rule of law? What is the rule of law? Everyone must follow the law. Everyone must follow the law. Many documents influence the U.S. Constitution. Name one. Many documents influence the U.S. Constitution. Name one. Declaration of Independence. Declaration of Independence. There are three branches of government. Why? There are three branches of government. Why? Checks and balances. Checks and balances. Name the three branches of government. Name the three branches of government. Congress, President, and the courts. Congress, President, and the courts. The President of the United States is in charge of which branch of government? The President of the United States is in charge of which branch of government? Executive branch. Executive branch. What part of the federal government writes laws? What part of the federal government writes laws? U.S. Congress. U.S. Congress. What are the two parts of the U.S. Congress? What are the two parts of the U.S. Congress? Senate and House of Representatives. Senate and House of Representatives. Name one power of the U.S. Congress. Name one power of the U.S. Congress. Declares wars. Declares war. How many U.S. senators are there? How many U.S. senators are there? 100. 100. How long is a term for a U.S. senator? How long is a term for a U.S. senator? 6 years. 6 years. Who is one of your state's U.S. senators now? Who is one of your state's U.S. senators now? Answers will vary here, depending on which state you live on. Please review the description part of this video, as I will give you a link, a website in which you can see who is your senator now. How many voting members are in the House of Representatives? How many voting members are in the House of Representatives? 435. 435. How long is a term for a member of the House of Representatives? How long is a term for a member of the House of Representatives? 2 years. 2 years. Why do U.S. representatives serve shorter terms than U.S. senators? Why do U.S. representatives serve shorter terms than U.S. senators? To more closely follow public opinion. To more closely follow public opinion. How many senators does each state have? How many senators does each state have? 2. 2. Why does each state have 2 senators? Why does each state have 2 senators? Equal representation for small states. Equal representation for small states. Name your U.S. representative. Name your U.S. representative. Once again, answer will vary here. Make sure you look at the description part of this video, as I will give you a website, a link, in which you can actually see who your U.S. representative is for the area where you live. What is the name of the Speaker of the House of Representatives now? What is the name of the Speaker of the House of Representatives now? Here you have a website also in front of you for updates. The current Speaker of the House of Representatives is Nancy Pelosi. Nancy Pelosi. But remember, the Speaker of the House may change every 2 years after elections. Who does a U.S. Senator represent? Who does a U.S. Senator represent? Citizens of their state. Citizens of their state. Who elects U.S. Senators? Who elects U.S. Senators? Citizens from their state. Citizens from their state. We have come to the end of this presentation. Remember, this is part 1. We only covered questions 1 through 32. Please make sure that you go and look at parts 2, 3, and 4 for the entire 128 questions. Each part will have 32 questions. Also remember, you need to review this material as much as possible in order to pass your U.S. citizenship naturalization test.